Hi, Griffin.
My favorite toy is the ball.
What color is it?
Yellow.
What other toys do you have?
This
What's that?
duck. I do great toy. Want me great toy? No.
What other toys do you have?
This
Who's that?
Elmo.
Elmo, what's he doing?
He's holding a desk. Sorry. He's red.
What other toys do you have?
About the car.
Car. What color car?
Red. It will make noise. A, B, C, D, E, F, D, H, I, Q, P, R, the C. R, the P. I was Griffin. I was Buddha. After I love you. After love you die. After I love you, Baba. After I love you. After I love you.
That's interesting.